Congratulations to MrBeast on hitting 50 million subscribers. MrBeast is a YouTube hero of mine. But what is MrBeast like in real life? Well, I met him in real life.
I know you!
And to be honest, he's an asshole. Just kidding, just kidding. It's a prank.
Mabuhay kayo. Paki-subscribe at sampalin ang kampana.
Mabuhay! Ako ang inyong kakampi na si Puting Pinoy. Appear tayo! So ngayon, talakayin natin ang pakakilala ko kay MrBeast at kung ano ba ang ugali niya sa tunay na buhay. At bukod doon, 50 million subscribers. Holy shit! MrBeast has earned it. He is a genius creator. He's given away millions of USD American dollars. He's planted millions of trees. He's done a lot of really good things for the community, like the global community. He even shouted out small YouTube channels recently and got them over 100,000 subscribers in a day. He inspired me to just be a better creator and a better person. He was sitting around 8,000 subscribers just 5 years ago, and I don't even think he broke 100,000 subscribers until like 3.5 to 4 years ago. And now he's at 50 million. He was on the platform for like 4 years before he saw any type of huge or like bigger success. How crazy is that? He is an expert about things because he actually struggled on the platform. He earned it. And I think it's time, mga kakampi, let's make a sub to MrBeast hashtag. Tulad ng ginawa ni MrBeast para kay PewDiePie, gawin natin yan. Paabutin natin siya sa 100 million subscribers, mga kakampi. Simulan natin dito sa Pilipinas. Let's show MrBeast that he needs to come here to the Philippines. Okay, I'll start with the story. Okay, so nakilala ko si MrBeast noong nag-tweet siya. The whole reason I was on Twitter in the first place is because gusto ko siyang subaybayin sa Twitter. So nag-tweet siya tungkol sa isang dodgeball video na gagawin nila, and they said they pushed it back to 2 p.m. So I looked up the address that the dodgeball game would be located at, and it was like 300 something kilometers away. I live in Virginia, he lives in North Carolina, or I lived in Virginia, and I would be there by like 2:40 if I went. So I tweeted that, and he was like, "Come boy." I was like, freaking MrBeast responded to me. Holy crap. So nagmaneo ako, na-vlog ko. You can see it right here in this vlog, how I met MrBeast and was in the world's largest game of dodgeball. And pasensya, mas mag-English ako ngayon because I think we might have English viewers on this. But what is MrBeast like in person? So after going through this dodgeball game and everything, which by the way, I won $40. How cool is that? Like the entire 500 plus people won $40 plus whoever made it to the finals round. MrBeast, when I met him in person, he's really low-key. He puts on a lot of energy for the videos, but then once you talk to him, he's low-key. I think he needs to decompress from the high energy and everything that he does. He puts so much into his videos. He's super passionate about YouTube. I talked to him a bit about it. I told him at that point I had 30,000 subscribers. I said, hey, I got 30,000 subscribers. I'm using only my iPhone. And he was like, hey, it changes really fast. I was like, wow. And alam nyo mga kakampi, he's actually 6'2" or 6'3". He's tall. Like, I was surprised. And Chandler, he's like 6'4", 6'5". Chris was roughly my height. All really nice guys. He's just an inspiration YouTube-wise. Talking to him, unfortunately, you don't get, I mean, you know, like he doesn't know me, he doesn't owe me anything, but like he definitely was a lot more low-key. I met him at a convention too, Vidsumit 2019, where I met other huge YouTubers and I got them to speak Tagalog, including MrBeast. He spoke Tagalog for my video. Unfortunately, MrBeast, he's surrounded by people constantly, so I wanted to give the respect of just having him say one word. I wasn't going to try to get him for a few minutes. Anyway, I couldn't believe it. He gave time to me to just do something. Anyway, I'll finish this vlog. I'm sorry this is just me rambling like a madman, but congratulations, MrBeast. Hashtag sub to MrBeast. Let's get it started right here in the Philippines.